In this video, we will learn how to register an S700 in Yocale. The S700 device comes with the device itself, a power cable, and the charging block. You can turn on the device using the power button on the side. Select the language, and then select the network. After it connects to the network, you can register the device inside Yocale. Log into the Yocale account and navigate to the Payment Methods page. Click on the pencil button under Card Reader, and then the Register button. Select S700, and then enter the pairing code. Enter a name for the reader, and then click the Register button. The card reader has successfully been created. Now download the updates and then you'll be good to go. You can change the settings inside of the device, like ask for tip or review amount in the settings page.
Please contact us at support@yocale.com or use the chat symbol for more help.